Welcome to the Explainer. If you're a digital beauty creator, you know this exact feeling. You spend 3 hours absolutely nailing a cut crease, another 2 hours editing the footage, and then crickets. Your only viewer is your mom. Well, today we are breaking down a strategy called Zero to Hero 3 Hacks for Beauty Creators. Let's jump right in.
Seriously, does this sound familiar? You're grinding, you're posting every single day, pouring your heart into your makeup content, but your view count is just stuck, hitting a brick wall at like 100 or 200 views. I want to tell you right now, take a deep breath. It's not you, it's not a lack of talent, it's just your content strategy. So today we're going to unpack 3 totally actionable hacks to take your content from stuck at 0 to absolute hero status.
All right, starting off with hack 1, find your niche.
So here's the biggest mistake new creators make. And honestly, it's super natural because you love makeup and you want to show off everything you can do, right? You want to prove you can do special effects, everyday glam, bridal, and a 10-step skincare routine. But listen, don't try to please everyone. You have got to select a specific niche. This is literally the foundational secret to exponential growth online. The algorithm, and honestly your audience too, they need to know exactly what to expect from you. When people know what your specific vibe is, they know exactly why they need to hit that subscribe button.
Just think about the different paths you could take. Are you the undisputed queen of heavy bridal glam? Or maybe your sweet spot is those flawless, minimalistic, no-makeup looks. Or hey, maybe you're the ultimate go-to guide for budget-friendly product reviews. These aren't just video ideas, they are specific identities. People follow creators because they've mastered one distinct signature style. So find the one that gets you genuinely excited and completely own it.
Once you have your niche locked in, it's time for hack 2, lighting and camera angles.
Look, with makeup content, the details are literally everything. You've got about 3 seconds to hook a viewer. If you're shooting in low lighting, even the sharpest, most mathematically perfect winged eyeliner is going to look muddy and blurred. And what happens? Viewers are going to swipe away instantly. But if you use natural window light or a solid ring light, you get those super crisp details. The true colors pop, the texture looks amazing, and your viral potential skyrockets. Always default to a bright natural window light or invest in a good ring light. It's completely non-negotiable.
To get those visuals right, you need to implement these 3 super practical steps. Number 1, and it sounds so incredibly basic, but hear me out. Clean your camera lens. A smudged lens will instantly ruin the crispness of a great beauty shot. Number 2, use macro or zoom-in shots. When you're showing off a product or a really intricate eye look, get up close. Give the audience that intimate view. And number 3, add satisfying transitions. A transition as simple as tapping a makeup brush on the camera to instantly reveal a full glam look goes viral all the time. Why? Because people absolutely love instant gratification and a dramatic reveal.
We've got our niche, we've perfected our visuals. Now hack 3, audio trends and behind the scenes.
This right here is the golden ticket for short-form platforms like Reels and Shorts. You need to show the process, not just the finished look. I know it's so tempting to only want to post the flawless final result, but audiences are naturally curious. They want to see the messy middle, the blending techniques you use, and exactly how you got from a bare canvas to that final setting spray. If you pair that behind-the-scenes footage with a trending audio track, you give your content massive algorithmic momentum while giving your viewers something actually valuable to watch.
But you can't just show the process. You have to invite them into it. Ask them things like, what is your all-time favorite concealer and why? As a creator, you have to start conversations. Talk to your audience in the comments. Share your holy grail products and ask for theirs. Building that genuine, two-way connection is the true secret sauce for long-term growth, because an audience that feels heard and engaged is an audience that stays.
So here is your game plan. Start today. Don't wait for the perfect camera or the perfect day. Apply these 3 hacks immediately. Carve out your specific niche. Dial in your lighting and visual transitions, and leverage those audio trends while showing your process. Most importantly, maintain consistency with your uploads and actively build that connection with your viewers. These are the foundational pillars that will actually turn your channel from stagnant to spectacular.
And that wraps up our explainer for today. If you found this breakdown valuable, be sure to save this information so you can check it before you film your next look. Share it with your creator friends who might be feeling stuck, and make sure to follow along for more amazing insights and content strategy breakdowns.